Hello and welcome, online searchers. For my final project, I decided to use the database ScienceDirect reference module in Earth Systems and Environmental Science. Why? Because I think that this is a great database for those students that need assistance when searching for a particular article in this particular field, especially when it comes to earth science and environmental studies. So, who is the targeted audience and why ScienceDirect? Well, I'll begin by why ScienceDirect. ScienceDirect is a valuable database to use when searching for articles for a specialized science topic. As students try to find a reliable source, ScienceDirect provides a rapid and easily searched criteria when searching for a particular topic. The database is geared for students in fields such as geology, oceanography, environmental science, and any science related to our wonderful Earth. So, who are the main users of this particular database, and actually why I decided to focus was mostly on undergraduate students that are in need of assistance for a particular project in their class. So the main users for this particular database are environmental and geology students, or earth science students. So one of the interesting things about this particular database is that there are really easy and simple to use search criteria, especially when using the search toolbar. When you use the search toolbar in this particular database, one of the interesting things is that the phrase search is key to finding what you need to find in this particular database. The only other characters that work are Boolean operators, characters such as special chemical formulas such as H2O, NaCl that you can type in the search, which is incredible. And it's one of those things, if a student wants to find more information on a particular chemical formula, they can simply type it in and get that particular result for that particular search, which is awesome. Another cool thing is that it's interchangeable between British English and American English when typing in the search toolbar, which is really cool. So a phrase search is important when using this particular database. One of the things that I did enjoy is that wildcard operators are not accepted. So I provided an example here where I tried using geology with the asterisk symbol, and what ends up happening is that the wildcards are not supported. So thus, if I wanted to type in geologist or other forms of geoisms, I will not be able to find it because wildcards are not supported by the database. Another great feature is the advanced search, which all you need to do when you go into that particular field is it's quite simple. It's a phrase search. You just need to fill one of the text boxes, and that will provide you with the result. It has titles, years, and it's really quite simple and user-friendly to utilize. Thus is why I decided to focus on that particular demographic that is searching for particular articles or information on a particular field of science. And of course, my references of the database. Again, one of the things that I'd like to really stress is the user friendly of this particular database and how it offers a very limited yet easily search fields in order to narrow down the search. Well, thank you all so much. I had a wonderful time in this class, and I hope you enjoyed this short, brief summary of the ScienceDirect reference module in Earth Systems and Environmental Science. Again, my name is Efren. I hope to see you all soon.